mina ngizothi mhlawumbe ngiyazigqithom hayi qhazi
ungenza ngikhanye.
okay because at most the straight guys ne bayakuthanda to bend over ave bedunusa abafana
Bayadunuka.
Jama bayaqhamalaza and uyathusa ukuthi umuntu ufike athi straight nginentombi lana ngiyale but
Got my power bottom. You know what I mean? It just didn't work out because Nami Pela Ukdunusa, it's something that I haven't experienced in. So
and you love it, ne?
It's nice.
Is it?
It's yeah. Yashis.
Yini eshisayo?
Yashis.
Yini. Yini eshisayo?
Ngiyayish.
The platform is yours, babe.
Oh, you know she.
No,
She pamjinit. You know what I mean? So so I've always like experienced that from straight or bisexual men.
Okay.
They get to come back. They're like, ooh. So yeah, guys, taking a dick is not easy.
Taking a day?
Taking a dick is
Kali
not
benge sizula ngizwanga oh. Ingibeke nje mbaba ngiyiza.
Ukulala nomuntu wesilisa as a gay man.
Yeah.
Akukho mnandi, akukho easy. Like uyaziprepare guys. Yabo akufani njenga maka Enzo. Bayazi ukuthi uyakagama.
Yes,
ngolesine. Uyazi ukuthi uzofika enza into yakhe.
Yeah.
Mina I have to go through everything. Ngikhathe. You know what I mean?
I get you.
Ngenza sure ukuthi angidli for the next 24 hours.
Yeah.
If I am eating something, it needs to be light.
Yeah.
So there's so much of preparation. It's like you're reading a script to go on a singing somewhere.
Yeah.
It's insane.
Yeah. Sekufikile usuku la selikhona nentombi yasemlazi uLewa kaSishi intombi engawuthwali u9 months sikhona ke namhlanje lana kwi NT91 TV la sikhona nezithandwa zethu sixoxa kabanzi ngezimnandi ngezijulile so namhlanje ngine guest right kanjani esilindele kanjani here you go my darling.
Hi darling.
How are you my love?
I'm so happy to be here.
Yes.
Thank you so much for the invite. It means so much to me and who I am and what I represent. So let's go.
Kujabule thina sithandwa sami abalalele emakhaya nababukele emakhaya sebaxoxela ukuthi uzobukhona bathi we want to know ukuthi who are you? They want to know who are you?
Sure. Who am I?
Yeah.
Igama lami nginguTerence Nkabinde, but a lot of people know me as Terry on Demand. Yeah, Terry on Demand. I'm Kamgwamashu.
Yeah.
It's not Ngawi.
Yeah.
Like a lot of things happen.
Yeah.
And I think growing up from Gwamashi really just made me who I am. I'm not scared to survive.
Okay.
I am not afraid to coexist. Because Gwamashi, you know, growing up, you get to meet different people.
Correct.
And you get to learn from every single person that you meet. So ngikhulele khona, my mom and dad and my two brothers, sisoma mdala, basheshe bashada. Impilo yakhe yasheshe yabona nje. Labo kwamlungela msasi love you.
Wasuka kaMashwashata.
Washada kwamnandi.
Nice.
Ngakhula khona just my mom, my dad and my two brothers. And ubaba wasilahla emhlabeni ngo-2009. And I think that's where just life really began for me ngo-2009. Prior to that I was just living my life. You know, esikolweni kwaMashu uyayifundela, you're doing the normal childhood things.
Yeah.
But 2009 that's when I just realized ukuthi life is about to happen.
Yeah.
Life is about to happen because my mom was not working at that time. Angikhumbuli mbona mayivuke emsebenzini mina.
So there's ubaba.
Out my life. So ubaba uyena kade sebenza.
Yeah.
2009 my dad died. I had to man up. Right?
I want to know.
Man up. As queer as I am, I really had to man up. Fast forward, my mom, luckily, I think
Yeah.
after you've passed on. I think that's what my dad was to us.
Oh, nice.
He just became a light. My mom found a job. Wasebenza emakishini.
Yeah.
And behola u-80 rand. I remember wehola u-80 rand ngoLisile.
Where emachadini?
Emajari.
Hayi wena.
Bekasebenza eGreyville. Like somewhere like here in KZN.
Yeah.
Besebenza emajaridini as a domestic worker.
Yeah.
So esebenza khona ekwazi ukuthi akhokhe esikolweni, like there was no gap ukuthi ubaba kaSelf, even though he was providing for so long.
Yeah.
But my mom was able to look after myself and my siblings for from 2009 until ngikhula nami ngithola umsebenzi in 2017. So she was able to look after us for that long. Oh my ehola lo 80 rand because I'm a girl. Oh, and she was able to just manage. Yeah, Kumbula, there was one time where we Pride. This was in 2014.
Oh yeah.
I was doing grade 12. I was doing matric. I was matric.
Me go kwetala lai.
Yes, born ane.
Yeah.
And I was like, I want to go to Pride because I used to see a lot of things on BBM and Facebook. So I'm like, I want to go.
Yeah.
And I asked her, I'm like, Mom, can I please get money so I can go to Pride? She was like, hey, what is that?
Yeah.
Me Pride. Yeah. And I couldn't explain it to her at that time because I was still in the closet at that time.
Oh.
Luckily, I knew someone whom I won't disclose gave me money.
Who's that someone? Is it a friend, your boyfriend? Somewhere
He
there?
was more like a mentor to me and my life at that time. So he
Okay.
gave me money. I went to Pride, fast forward, shop.
Yeah.
We had a great time there. So, yeah, I'm even losing my train of thoughts. But to just answer your question,
Yeah.
who am I? Wawa Mashu. I am proudly queer, and I work as a radio DJ.
Good.
I've done different campaigns. I'm a social media brand manager. Ngizamungena out to the artist management. I'm learning a few things about manage my artist, even though niya soap. But I'm trying that, and yeah, that's my life in a nutshell. I'm a media enthusiast, and Gwagwamash.
Oh, so interesting,
I will never stop saying that.
Please.
Happy.
You know, ngiyangijabulisa nami ukuthi I'm from Umlazi mina, you know.
Oh, yeah?
And ziyahephela nakhona.
And who's that?
And lapho usenanda. ukamashu.
Ukamashu.
So nje ukamashu, people bayathanda ukulalela bezwe namagama, and you mentioned ukuthi queer.
Yes.
Omunye umuntu uzobuza ukuthi how sike simbone nomunye kwabizwe mhlambe lapha ku-NTV 91 ebiziwe but uthi ugay, but masibuka lo uthi ugay kuhluka kuphi ukuthi wena uzi-identify njengomuntu ogay or umuntu oqueer?
Oh my God. Because I'm going to offend abanye abantu.
Yeah, you.
And ama-terminologies wethu sometimes nami ngicabanga what's going on.
Yeah.
For me, I identify myself as a queer man
Oh yeah.
because I coexist with everybody.
Oh yeah.
I don't like to box myself and say I'm gay. I don't like boxing, like nifa.
I'm queer, I'm fine with it.
I'm queer, I'm fine with it. I am a person who is LGBTQI plus community. Yeah.
Nice.
So I'm part of the whole thing. So I can sit around with lesbians, I can sit around with trans people.
Yeah.
So I'm a queer man who's living as a queer man.
Just to ask you this question, Sam.
Yeah.
Kwamashu ne a community corner iningi at large.
Yes, yes.
Uyasithola ukuthi kukhona a men that we say amadoda are straight because bathi ba straight sizwa ngapha.
Ngoba nina.
But bathi ba straight. So mabe bethi ba straight and then approach. Do you date that guy who says he's straight, or ufika intombazane ethi I am straight? Here you are, ne? Ikshele intombazane or lo mfana. Would you date either these two genders? Ngoba you've just identified yourself as a queer person. You don't want to be boxed. And ibona bayazazi ukuthi straight, both genders. Would you date a girl or would you date a guy?
Yo ungiborile.
I want to know. I want to know. I want to know. Tell me, darling.
Girl ngazicabanga ke manje ngiyazicabanga.
The two.
Wena.
Do you limit yourself?
Oh, sure. A woman.
Yeah.
I've never experienced a woman in that way.
Dating a woman.
I've never. Who?
Because remember, you can sleep with a woman without dating her.
I've never slept with a woman.
Okay, perfect. I got that.
And I've dated a woman before.
Unamanga.
As a younger child.
No,
As a younger child, I was very young. I was in primary. Yeah, that doesn't count.
Primary,
That doesn't, I was in grade 7, I think.
Mina ngizoclub ngiyasi-date home.
Hayi phela ngeke ngibone phela ngoba khona uTwitter. But I've never seen like hayi wena.
No, I understand.
Wait,
Yeah.
No, I've never dated a woman But in the events where Africa I like you, I want to date you. Woo, that would be an experience. No, I don't know.
But how would you take it?
I would embrace it.
Okay.
Because it means that I am within a community.
Get you.
It means that you see me more than what I see in myself. So I would embrace that.
Okay.
And I would respectfully tell you, Guti, I'm not interested. But if a straight man,
You wouldn't hesitate.
But the thing is about being in a relationship with a straight man, and
Yeah.
I've gone through this all my life.
Tell me about it with the straight men.
Straight men, the problem is for me, Ngama, straight men is disclose to me
Okay.
that I am bisexual. That I can respect. Tell me I am bisexual or I'm attracted to men, right?
Okay.
Rather than say, because isikhathi esiningi bake bafike kuwena or bake bafike kumina. Oh Lord.
Yeah.
And they say, excuse the pun. Ungenza ngikhanye.
Okay.
Which for me, I always find that disrespectful.
When they say it to you.
Yes.
Okay.
You, as much as you're expressing yourself and how you feel towards me, but I always feel like you can't just tell me ukuthi ngikwenza uqhanye. Rather come with a different approach, or I find you attractive, or I like the way you think, or I like the way you embody yourself. That I can take.
So when a guy says to you, I'm open to this, does it come to a point where athi umfana umina ke ngizoba bottom wakho and wena uzoba top wami? Bisexual nginjalo. Because at most the straight guys bayakuthanda to bend over ave bedunusa abafana Joma bayaqhamalaza. And uyathusa ukuthi umuntu ufike athi straight nginentombi lana ngiyale but
Got the power bottom. You know what I mean?
Lavi.
You know what I mean?
No. So how do you handle it?
There was a moment, just not so long ago, there was a moment where a person who identified themselves as non-binary.
Okay.
So lo muntu aga identify njengokuthi uyi-male noma uyi-female. They just see a human being. So they come to me and they're like, Gaktanda, and I want us to try something out. At that moment, I didn't know ukuthi yini non-binary.
Okay.
I remember I went back home, I went to research. Thank God, Dominic, you exist, and other non-binary people out there.
Yeah.
So I learned more about it. And I want to go to, okay, this more or less, we are fun and nami because I don't really, box myself. I'm very open-minded to a lot of things.
Okay.
And I like to experience it. So I was like, okay, I will give you time. So ngam sazama, and it just didn't work out. It just didn't work out because nami phela ukudunusa, it's something that I haven't experienced in. So
And you love it, ne?
it's nice.
Is it?
It's yeah.
So ami umuntu uzobuza ukuthi athi njengoba bafana belala nje yini emnandi kulaleni?
Ayashis.
Yini eshisayo?
Ayashis.
Yini eshisayo? Tell me about it. Yini esuke shit. Because at most bathi once umfana lo umfana ususele. Wala negay ususele.
As umuntu wesifazane.
As umuntu wesifazane.
I will take that.
Yeah.
Because I've seen it happening a lot of times.
Oh yeah.
Balokhu bebuyile.
Bayabuyile.
Bayagwatsa, so they always come back because there's this thing ukuthi ngiyayisho.
The platform is yours, base.
Ukuthi no she.
No,
she pamjinit. You know what I mean? So I've always experienced that from straight or bisexual men.
Okay.
They get to come back. They're like, ooh. So yeah.
So kamash. Ngikhulumash ne. And kamash ngiyabona ukuthi the LGBTI there are spaces where people bambe ujabula khona and ukhuleka kamash imndeni lomkhulu othandayo. So kuyenzeka sometimes uma uhambe, it's either you and your friends or nama siblings akho niyaphuma nihamba niyojabula or niyamba nemicimbi lenso imenye kuwona.
Yeah.
How is it for you to be as flamboyant as you can? How can you be free in the space of Sona Gamash? How is the community around your space?
You'll be very surprised, Gucci, as a lot of people who know me and they've seen me on social media, whatever. I am very proud of who I am, but it hasn't been a nice journey.
Okay.
Right? So ngikhule kwaMashu, and I remember in 2014. So ngangifunda umatric ngo-2014.
Okay.
So yimi lona abangani bami, we like, "Some to check out this place in town." Ibizwa nge-58 too.
Oh, I see that club.
58,
Yeah.
I meet this guy, ngahlangana naye on Facebook.
58 it's a gay club.
It's a
in
gay
Durban.
club in Durban.
Okay, perfect.
Right? So ngahlangana with this guy on Facebook. I won't even mention your name, but you know who you are.
But yeah.
I
You know.
this guy, and he's like, "Asambe siye beach."
Yeah.
Siqale beach before sihambe siye.
Hayi,
bar.
sisi.
Sihambe siye beach, masifike beach with this guy. Kukhona another guy.
At the beach.
Yes.
Okay.
Gama lakho Mthoko. Hi. We went to the beach.
Sihlele
Sihlele beach is about 3. Mina ngicabanga ukuthi umnganakhe, right? Because we're just engaging. Wethenga ama chips, the
Okay.
brand, certain brand.
Yeah.
So no, what do you call this? Yogurts.
Okay.
No, ngingakhuluma
The
manga.
deeper.
Danone awu-6. Lawa amancane awu-6.
Hey,
Wathenga ama chips nama Danone awu-6.
Nice.
Sihlele beaches by 3. Siyadla. And then he says to me, so lo muntu lo ohlele eceleni kwakho njengamanje, naye uyi-boyfriend jam. Mind you, I'm doing matric in 2014.
Oh, we're doing a star.
I'm approaching my exams.
Hey, wait now.
I'm at trials one. So I'm like, oh, okay, sharp. Because I've never been intimate with a man before.
At that time.
At that time.
Oh, nice.
At that time.
I want to be so.
No. I've
Yeah.
never been intimate with a man, but I always look at men on like pictures and whatever, because I had like, he told me in my room. But I've never been intimate with a man.
Okay.
So I'm like, okay, let's go. Because mayhamba lengizophinda ngithathe ngiyabunzima kanjena, I'm so young.
So wavuma ukuthi wazi ukuthi these people are actually dating.
Yes. I was okay with that.
Is it?
I was young.
I know.
I was okay. Plus benginikeza imali time.
It's fine. Yeah, we all need.
And I would be on Mixit. I was okay.
Yeah.
So we started dating with this person.
Yeah.
About 3. And then we went to a part of Durban.
Okay.
We went to, no, it was known as 58 at
before.
that
Yeah.
time.
Yeah.
So that's where I get to experience Uguba gay and see other gay men and see other queer people. I was like, oh, this life is nice, nah? Yeah, I'm a crop top, and they look gorgeous, and they put in their faces. It's nice.
Yeah.
So I'm like, oh, okay, sharp. But for a long time, until I started working. So to quickly come back to your question, I wasn't as confident as I am now. So ngikhule kwaMashu bengibona ukuthi hayi
Lapho umzila lo theceleni.
lo ungathi sawusisi, but they wouldn't have the guts to come and ask me about it.
Yeah.
But my family, the thing is about my family, and this is the first time I'm actually talking about this.
Tell me about it, man.
And it's, yeah. So for the longest of time, even namhlanje, I think this video, us having a conversation now.
Yeah.
Only now.
Was I
and
joke?
This is literally the first time in 29 years of living in this country.
Yeah.
I can actually say that I am a proud gay man.
Thank
and
you.
If they watch, they watch.
Thank you.
So yeah, I've
Thank
never
you.
come out. I came out to my parents.
You never
told. I've never come out to anybody.
Mate boom.
It's like,
Yeah.
why velenje? Like I was
I've never had a really opportunity to say to my family, man ubaba ngi transgender, because obhuti bami sisibamakazi bahlale phansi nabo athi usiswami ngiyintombazane, athi ubhuti wami ngumfana.
Oh, I love that.
Nakusiza ingane nje
I love
bezikhula,
that, yes.
but they did notice ukuthi ule khona ngakuthandi. Esithi let's introduce kuyena, but ule angayithandi, ule uthanda lokho. So ngiyayithanda le ibeka ngakhona, and le ndlela ibeka ngakhona ifunisa nomzali ekhaya ekutheni ungathathi umntana wakho umfide lento ocabanga wena ukuthi izoba right for yena. Why I'm saying this, uzothola ukuthi kunomfana or kunentombazane lapha ekhaya, umuntu abe nomndeni, of course ngoze ekhaya indoda abe nomndeni, ashade abe nengane nga2 nga3. Uyabona lapha yasekuhamba iminyaka, no, unendoda yakhe ubaba la ekhaya, or umama la ekhaya unentombi yakhe eceleni.
yes.
Mase siyabuya thina siwumphakathi sithi ukwenza kanjani lo ukuthi ujole nobaba bashade babe nengane emva kalokho sethanda ubulili obufana nobakhe ukwenza kanjani lokho
Because also, come out sometimes for me,
Yes.
kuyakuvalela to experience your sexuality. Because truth be told,
usifunda ngendlela
sexuality uyifunda ngendlela. Life is for the living.
Yeah.
I always say that. So the time when upumeka, and I don't disregard abantu abaphumayo,
Yeah.
because we have different journeys of life.
Of course.
And we learn differently as people. But I always say, ukuthi, should you wish to come out, why are you coming out? Because once again, uke wangichazela washo ukuthi umuntu wesilisa, a straight person, doesn't come out and say, yo,
straight
he's straight,
yeah ngiyintombazane abakusho
abakusho.
Do we owe them that much?
Why do you then feel the need to tell me
Exactly.
to come out? Which means you're entitled in my life.
Yeah.
I don't work like that.
Okay.
So for that long, ngangisaba mbachela, to be quite honest, and
Okay.
also because I've always been woke. Even ngisakhula, so ngangazi ukuthi if ngibachela bazongitreat in a different way, kanti it's sexuality.
Mina, oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It doesn't mean ukuthi
ayivuki so
because we live in a country where wonke umuntu is opinionated. Like, kini kunesithabane manje usho silala phansi uyakwazi sinqunu ugezaphi
Yeah.
udla naye nishela isipuna soda. It's like kuyathelelana ukuba homosexual.
I get you.
So sometimes ngiye ngibasizele shem, because I'm sure now he got that from his friends, of which i-enga yakhe or whatever confusion that he had at the time, wayebuyisela kumina
Oh
as a sibling.
hayi wena
So I remember there was one time ngibuye esikoleni Nkosi yami, because I used to do like the art esikoleni, so
Okay.
back tied whatever. Ngilele angene erumini athi wena kune video Jesus God, kune video yakho ye-porn.
yakho
Uthi kune video yami ye-porn.
but ayikho noma ikhona
Ayikho mntase kanjani
nafika trend
manje.
out of the phone manje
I wish I had one, but I didn't.
yeah
I'm like, video yami ye-porn. I'm like, angikaze ngize ngibe kwi-porn. I think he had heard ukuthi at that time kwakune smash noma igay eyayidumile nje kwamasho, may he still rest in peace.
Oh.
Washona back then kwakune video yakhe enza izinto ezikanjalo
Okay.
someone else. Because the way bamchaza ngakhona bathi isitabane sine video kanje, because it was not easy. Akufana namanje kuno TikTok uyakwazi ukubona ivideo yabantu abagqoka uniform yesonto anyway now, doing whatever they're doing.
Yeah.
So back then kwakungekho lula ukuthi uthole ivideo, like kwamele uzwe isitoko or uthole isigaxa
Umuve nazo.
umuve stolezo, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So mefika endlini uzwe kwena ukuthi kunesitabane esithizeni esine video, and then he comes and approached me and he was very abusive, like physically.
hayi wena
That's when I realized, you know, there's something going on here. After that, he started like hitting me. I even have a scar here. I have a scar here.
ayithi
I have a scar here.
bulwa naye
Ngangabi because angikwazi ukulwa nkosami.
so
So uye belwa nami.
but did you report kumzali anyone okhona ekhaya because I'm sure you're bleeding at the time you see
I was bleeding, right? The thing is, I will be very honest with you.
peace love
Ngikule emndenini where we didn't talk about feelings.
okay
We didn't address ukuthi kwenzakalani, like abolo mbuzo ukuthi are you okay. I never got that from home. So siphile sonke but besingekho sonke.
Okay.
It's like umuntu uyazibonela in a way, but we're still a family. But it's like so uthando bengilithola in most cases ngaphandle
oh then ekhaya
than ekhaya, especially as a gay person. So ngishaya, I remember the first time ngishaya and ngiphuma igazi, sasibabili endlini,
okay
and my mom came back from emsebenzini. I'm like, yeah, kwenzakaleni, whatever. I'm explaining to her, ukuthi this what happened and this is the person ongenze so.
yeah
I don't remember her addressing that. with the person owayengilimazile. I don't remember if kubone mekunenkinga emndenini kuba khona i-family meeting.
Hlala
Phansi ingane kubuza ukuthi kwenzakaleni ungaphindi wenze kanje.
Yeah.
That never happened. So at the back of my mind ngangivele ngiyibeke ngemuva and I'll just carry on with my life. Because ngiyazi ukuthi akekho umuntu ozongilwela izimpi zami. So I used to take the beating. I used to take the verbal abuse and I'll just move on. And manje as an adult, ngiyibuke how bruised I am because I don't speak about my issues to anybody. That's why you hardly gonna find anything about me. I don't know how to engage my feelings or express emotions to someone. But it's a journey that I'm going through.
Okay.
I'm learning every day to be expressive. But ngikhule kanjalo, so bullying noma ngithi homophobia angitholanga ngaphandle. And I'm not going to sit here and lie and say abafana bakaMashu babengihlupha or abafana basemzuvela high school kwaMashu babengihlupha. I never got the hate from anyone else. But in most times ngangithola egcekeni and I just had to, I don't know, learn and move on. And luckily ekhaya kwakune lesbian. There was I think I hope I don't mispronounce, but amabhuji laba amabhuji our boot.
Yeah.
But lesbian.
Okay.
So ngikhule ngimbona ukhona egcekeni but behlala emakhaya respect. So besilokhu sigodwa mhlawumbe ngoChristmas noma kunemicimbi bengimbona then bengamboni every single day.
Okay.
But bengimbona. So abantu basekhaya abadala like abodada bokababa, it wasn't as like into abayiqalayo kuyibona.
Okay.
Kwakunalento ngeke ngizwe ngisakhula kuthiwa ayisho ukuthi wamthelela. Which is also a huge problem within our society. There's that thing ukuthi uzofundisa ingane lo mkhulu. They make it seem like iyathelelana. Akekho umuntu ongavuma, guys, taking a dick is not easy.
Taking a day?
Taking a dick is not
easy. Ngesizulu angizwanga oh. Ibeke nje mbaba ngizwe.
Ukulala nomuntu wesilisa as a gay man.
Yeah.
Akukho mnandi, akukho easy. Like uyaziprepare guys. Yabo akufani njenga maka Enzo. Bayazi ukuthi uyakagaya ngolesine. Uyazi ukuthi uzofika enza into yakhe.
Yeah.
Mina I have to go through everything. Ngichathe. You know what I mean?
I get you.
Ngenza sure ukuthi angidli for the next 24 hours.
Yeah.
If I am eating something, it needs to be light.
Yeah.
So there's so much of preparation. It's like you're reading a script to go on a scene somewhere.
Yeah.
It's insane.
Yeah.
So kunaleyo nto ukuthi umthelelile umuntu and it doesn't work like that.
Exactly.
So there's that conception corner that I grew up experiencing. So it wasn't as much as painful from my extended family members. But
do you see that person now and what is that person's reaction towards you now? Usukhulile.
My childhood traumas.
Did you deal with them?
I don't think so.
You did not.
But I'm learning to.
So in your life, you don't find or get in your space where they kick in between ukuphila kwakho.
I think kulo nyaka Shem they did.
They did it kulo nyaka.
I've been alone for almost a year, and I've been. No. In a sense where no ngiyajola kade ngijola last week angazi kuyenzakaleni. Last week I was dating.
Yeah.
And you know who you are. Then jola last week, yeah, but that's a story for do we talk about it?
It's next. But I'm here ukuthi you are a person okwazile ukuthi kungabi yinto that steps in your way makhona ufuna ukuzenza empilweni, of course uyabona.
Oh no.
Yeah. No. I'm able to figure leso sigaba. And then if hamba izifike ngisho emjolweni wakho, because remember kuyenzeka ukuthi ujoyine umuntu ozothi angithanda ukuthi sivele emphakathini ngifune sijole eceleni ingaveli lento baningi abafana abafuna bayithanda leyo nto asize siba group esithi ama after 9 noma sithi ama MSM MSM laba sithi are men who have sex with men. There are no feelings, they are just men who enjoys having sex with other men. So in this case umuntu osokujola naye, how open are you in your relationship?
Regarding my emotions?
Of course.
I think one of the reasons why ngasajoli, it's because of that.
Why?
I was in a relationship for 3 years with
Okay.
this person. So this person comes to me ati, let's try something out. Ashjole, I love you, and angiko openly gay. Gisagwi closet.
Okay.
But we're going to try and make it work. I'm like, okay, sharp. And shem ungfita miserable gigoa. Gisanda nyiseka. Omunye umjolo hamba wayothola uma wengane. I'm like, okay, sharp.
Yeah.
So I'm still in the whole thing. So ngithandane naye, and we pushed for 3 years, for 3 years, babe.
Nice.
But in there, we look at Vela in the relationship is me not being able to express how I feel.
Oh.
Like, I'll just shut. If I'll just lock myself in my room.
Okay.
And just watch movies or series or whatever. Angkwazi a communicator, like the emotion side of myself. I always feel like if I go that far, then I can't come back from that.
So the 3 years low
until it ended, and I didn't end the relationship.
Who ended the relationship?
The relationship was, I'm not sure how he's going to take this, but let's go. The relationship ended because remember Wuti, he was in the closet for that long.
Okay.
Now uyakula umuntu. He then comes and tells me Wuti he wants to have a child.
And what was your
After 3 years of being in a homosexual
relationship with you?
with me?
So for
And then mina ngiyatebenzisa
love.
nganamuntu
Driving all.
awu
Yeah.
bekuthiwa nangu uphi lo engekho lo.
Yeah.
We became like friends, like best friends.
Okay.
And then he comes to me and he's like, sengifuna ukuba nengane, but this is what I want you to do for me. Ngifuna ukuthi siqhubeke sibe ku relationship, but ngizoba ku relationship nomunye umuntu.
So that means uzolala nomunye umuntu without using a protection. Abuya zolala now.
That's my argument.
Wena.
That's my argument. I was like, angeke ngize ngikwazi ukuhlala ku relationship kanjalo.
Yeah.
So I had to defend my emotions and defend myself and my help. So ngaphuma ku relationship. So I feel like to a later stage, I was able to express ukuthi ngizizwa kanjani when sengibona ukuthi no, ayingisebenzeli lento. I can't be in a relationship with you and then you expect me ukuthi understand ukuthi kunomunye umuntu wesifazane ngaphandle ozolala naye without any protection.
Uyabona?
Just because you want
Ufuna umntana. So it means ulala wonke amantombazane nawe atholayo la omitha kuqala uyena uma wengane.
ngizolokhu ngihleli ngilinde wena.
Yeah.
So I had to say no to that.
So ama crush akhona ekukhuleni owabonayo manje.
Engawona sengingaka.
Akrushela when? It's either a girl or a boy. Be crusher when.
I don't know. Mhlawumbe akazani ngitshayela guys, mina ngitshayela, I don't know.
Ukuba sakuthanda na.
Women.
Yeah.
No, I've no.
So in Joburg ne kunokwenzeka okukhulu bathi hayi mani itamani zase Durban zimbi.
Hey.
That's it. Bathi sibabi. Asigqoki kahle. Ngize ngizibuza ukuthi sifike kanjani lapho.
The comparison between Joburg and Durban is
Take me through it.
It's concerning.
Yeah.
Right? Because Gauteng is a province where majority of abantu baseGoli they're not even from Joburg. Yeah. Because it's like a capital city. Wonke umuntu uye lapho kuyosebenza. Nabazali baya khona beyosebenza baze baba nengane, and everybody is open-minded because idolophu indawo.
Yeah.
So a comparison between Durban and Joburg is always concerning for me because eThekwini kunalento ukuthi kumele uhloniphe, uhambe erenki uyazi ukuthi khona ubaba, mhlambe khona usaba nanokuthi khona umama omaziyo omngani noma wakho.
Uzosho.
So uzosho ukuthi ha
Sibonile ingane yakhe shop. Yeah.
So kunaleyo nto ukuthi ngiyasaba, maybe I need to wear a certain way to please abanye abantu. So sikhula naleyo mentality ukuthi okay, ngigay but angikwazi ukugqoka kanje. Because I also went through the same thing. Like as gay as I am, as gay as I know that I am. But khona ezinye izinto ebengibona kwamanye ama-gays mhlawumbe bebefikile kuyi-pride from PMB or Joburg, I'm like, ha ngiyafisa nkosami nami ufake i-crop top ngiyafisa
uveza umkhaba wakho na.
nami ngiveza umkhaba wami noma ngifake iglitzer khona into kaKelly Khumalo wayigcoba iqhakazi like I want to use that but I can't do that because ngiyasaba ukuthi what if ngihlangana nomuntu osebenza nobaba noma umuntu osebenza nomama.
Oh yeah.
So kunaleyo nto ukhula usaba uyibox noma usaba expose who you are because of that, because of how KZN is so culture driven. Kunaleyo nto ukuthi ikwaZulu la. And we have seen that happening with the latest Umqhele and all of that. We did not get amaXhosa coming through and carrying on about how this, but we got that from KZN because kunale nto ukuthi sinamakhaya la kunamathuna in KZN. So there's a lot of respect and there's a lot of culture that drives who we are as KZNs.
Correct.
So I don't really like comparison. I always say give people grace.
Good.
Give people time to evolve. Allow people to find themselves. Ngingahlala eKZN because of that mentality ukuthi ngwasemakhaya ngwasendedo noma ngwaka PMB. Because I have that mentality ngiyasaba to expose myself.
Yeah.
But when I'm in Joburg I might be a complete different person because I'm in a different city. Ngiyazi ukuthi akekho umuntu ozothi hayi ngizomtshela uma wakho ngibonile ufaka ingubo.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
I get you.
So I always say the comparison between the two cities or two provinces, just give people grace.
So do you think ukuthi LGBTI plus community in KwaZulu-Natal are visible in our spaces, especially in our community? Are we visible enough to teach and educate ukuthi thina singobani, siphila impilo ekanjani, sithandana nobani, sisebenza kuphi, sifunda kuphi? Do you think thina KZN are we doing enough?
KZN angazi noma ukubukelana phansi yini.
Okay.
But I stand to be corrected. My experience like KZN kunalento yokuthi uba wena unani unayimoto
Bani lo?
unay Instagram. There's that here that I always get a lot. So to answer your question, it always goes back to how you were brought up. I think ukuba wena in life and how you become a person is based, or rather is always triggered by ukuthi ukhule kanjani. Right? Because you can fake it, but you can fake it until when?
Until when, my
Until
darling?
when?
I get you.
So in majority, I like KZN, siyasaba. It's like uyasaba. Because usazophuma uhambe uye rank.
Uzobafika.
And it's not going to be easy.
Yeah.
So kunalokho kusaba to expose who you are because kuningi ukucabangayo ukuthi ngasekhaya lana ngikhona abantu abazongibona. So there's a lot of being afraid to expose yourself. I think that's where it's stemming from.
So now,
But siyazama though, we try.
so you're in this corporate world now where usemsebenzini awukazi uzithola usebenza umsebenzi la oyithola ukuthi usulala nomuntu just because funa uthola umsebenzi. It lubricates, babes. Lubricates.
It's dry because
Tell me about it.
no.
It hasn't.
No.
Because imisebenzi eminingi thiwa thina siyalala ukuze sithole
Ngiyizwe-ke le.
Yeah, now. So ngibuza ukuthi
Ngayizwa about a certain radio station. Ngiyizwe, but ayikazi yenzekale kuningi.
it hasn't never happened on you.
No.
Because ngibuka umsebenzi wakho nje omkhulu ngakhona. It has so many titles. Uyibuza okay, mhlawumbe uke walala ukuze uthole lo msebenzi.
No.
So you've never went apart.
No, I'll be lying.
Yeah.
No. But I've heard people who would say, like umuntu akushele, but it wouldn't get to a point where it says, yeah, we're having intimacy, noma siyalalana, and for me to get that position. No, akakafiki la.
Akakafiki.
Awe ma akakafiki. That radio station hit me up.
Yeah, why isebenzela wena?
Ngiyayifukuzela. Like literally ngiyayifukuzela, send out demos.
Yeah.
Yeah, akakafiki la.
I'm so happy ukuthi you are explaining into kanjalo because uyabona CLGBTI like.
But angiyiphakamisi le.
Are you Pagamis?
Why?
Before we move, why Pagamis?
The reason why ngingayiphakamisi it's because it takes away the opportunity for somebody that has worked so hard
Oh yeah.
for their craft,
Yeah.
or somebody that went to school to study business management or PR or whatever. But because when you used
Inosh.
inosh yakho or
Yeah.
ishisa ingakhona, and
Yeah.
we respect that. But we've taken away the opportunity to actually worked so hard for.
Okay, so let me just
I don't like
this platform. Siyanguma ke manje.
Angwazi.
Angumi? Okay, so there is this.
Gazuphugu. What's that?
I'll tell you now. I'll tell you. So there's this gay language that is used within the LGBTI plus community, of which it's called isingumo. So siyanguma when we speak. So bengithi asithi
Okay, I know.
So I understand.
And
The only thing that you know uphugu. You know why?
Gazuphugu is
Yeah.
careful. Yeah.
Look, so uphugu ipenis. Oh.
Why did I know that? Why?
And then it's painful, it's your anal. You know, so leyo language bengifuna siyixoxe ukuze
no, angiyazi language.
18 at some point sinabo ukuthi uzofica it's either so space nabantu sifuna ukukhuluma ngomfana nje sebule mfana umoyi wisday mfana cha kanje uvel so sesikhuluma lo mfana uright and uyambona ukuthi mayevele kanje sizoguza naye chom
And ukuze uhamba naye.
nje and this guy uzosibhadlaza ngoba wisday.
Yo.
So into kanje ziyenzeka. So it's one of those languages I'm going to teach you, ne? So
Please do.
So ikhuluma ngento
I left out.
Seyikhuluma nje ngelilanga.
Okay.
So I'm happy ukuthi uyikhuluma ngalena ngoba okuningi baya ku social media ukuthi hayi itheko nje lilele itheka lindawo abantu babi abafundile and here you are uyabona nangu ngikhona sifundile.
There's a lot of us. There is a lot of us.
Yeah.
Ukuthi there is this thing ukuthi and uqinisile mawuthi kuthiwa eThekwini asifundanga because of how it's so associated with amabhinga and
amakhaza
abazilutho. And I like the way how social media is changing the way we see a lot of a lot of provinces. And yakuveza lokho ukuthi there's so much of talent in KZN.
good.
Yazi ngiye kuma auditions, whatever auditions, and I would see all these different people, like different creatives in KZN. I'm like, how can this net talent elingaka?
Elite.
So there's a lot of talent. The thing is about Durban is angazi noma kunama gatekeepers in. But it's like more as a production company or was a production company lay.
Then you're done.
And your production company obalab. So I always feel like kunama gatekeepers of which we don't talk about. We need to talk about the gatekeepers in Durban, specifically in the creative spaces. We need to talk about that. So kunezinto kanjalo where wazi umuntu oyedwa and more when you learn about someone else, it's like as much as we're not going to work with you. I always feel like it shares the same sentiment when it comes to ama gays in KZN. It's like, ngazi lo. If the new gay a new gay person
I don't
comes
step
through,
in those doors.
yeah, it's like askwazi.
Because umsebenzi wakho, I'm sure you've studied it and you've navigated correctly. Just right after Funda, you went and studied. You studied, of course, and then uhamba uyosebenza.
Yeah.
Umsebenzi owenzayo. So to a young LGBTI out there who says, angisakwazi ukufunda just because ngiyalimala esikoleni. I've been violated esikoleni, discriminated. Angisabona ukuthi ku-right ukufunda for mina or ngizibone kwi-space engibona ngizithola or ngingazibona kufundeka kubona. What would your word of advice kubona abangakwazi ukuthi baye esikoleni bayofunda?
Sure, as hard as it is, always be yourself. Bazofunda ngendlela. I always feel like the more people see you, the more people experience you, the more open-minded they become. Ungasabi futhi educate umuntu. If somebody agazi, because ngeke umuntu azi yonke into. Educate a person and trust me, they're going to think differently.
Thank you.
So I've always, namge ngaba khona to a space where I always felt like, ngathi abangithandi because of who I am. I always try and educate. Ngaqala ama campaigns la ngangisebenza khona because ngabona ukuthi ngathi basemumva kancane. I went to the to marketing. I remember I was like, ngifuna ukuba ne pride yethu. Asibe ne pride yethu la emsebenzini.
Yeah.
And we did that. And we had people coming through. Sky Wonder was performing.
Nice.
We had people coming through to support the initiative because ngangifuna ukuthi ngifundise abanye abantu, even nama co-workers angazi ukuthi bazi ukuthi nje isitabane and they don't see the value in who the person is because they just see you as how you present, automatically
Switch.
you are written off because of who you are. So ngayilethe campaign just to teach ukuthi no, me being gay is my sexuality. It doesn't take away my manhood. It doesn't take away my identity. It doesn't take away my penis. I'm still a man. Just that I'm attracted to another gender or rather another man. It's a sexual feeling. I always compare it to umuntu straight if ebona umuntu wesifazane. I'm sure because I'm angaz. But umuntu wesilisa, I'm sure ufila in a certain way. Ivuka into yakhe.
Yeah.
That's how I feel towards a man. It's literally a feeling that I get. It has nothing to do with how I present. It has nothing to do whether my dick is cut or not.
Yeah.
It has nothing to do whether I'm from Nkabinde or I'm from wherever. It is my sexual feeling and that's it. So you try and educate that.
So you would practice the traditional ceremonies at home, of course.
100%, 100%, 100%.
Ufaka umqhele makuthiwa uyawufaka.
100%.
Uliphathe ukhambe.
100%.
I like that. So emgeni
Ngeke
wakho sengizoyivuka kancane. You mentioned ukuthi ujolile. Have you ever tried to get an education or an edutainment with regards using condoms and lubes?
Like to educate,
To be educated about
me?
condoms and lubes. Yeah.
I have to. I have to. Angazi noma uyamkhumbula yini uKoyobala back then waye another musical group kwakuthiwa shone because ubene anal cancer.
Oh.
So I had to Google ngibheke ukuthi yini anal cancer kwenzakalani why umuntu engabulawa yileyo nto. Only to find out ukuthi ingemumva kwe-anal yakhe cancer eba ngemumva after having unprotected.
Ey'nqeni.
Ey'nqeni.
Oh yeah.
So I had to learn that ngifunde ukuthi if ngiyaqhubeka ngiyayenza lento ngafakanga icondom, which means nami zizongikhalela.
Yeah.
So I always try and educate that and ngiyisebenzise and the loop also because
Yeah.
it makes life easy.
Lube. What is lube?
Iloop angisho babies and my Zulu is so bad. But into igcobisayo.
Isibushe.
Isibushe.
Yabushe.
Yes, uyagcobisa laphana kumuntu wakho othandana nawe wesilisa.
Yeah.
Nabantu besifazane bayayifaka futhi as far as I know.
Yeah.
So uyagcobisa lapha ukuthi abo
Kubushuzeleka manje.
because vele uyazazi ukuthi vele umanzi as a person.
Yeah.
Or uwasize lawo manzi onawo nawe ugcobisa. So
Yeah.
I always recommend that. Plus, it makes the sex experience easier
When you have those two
when you have the loop and the condom.
it makes it very easy.
Yeah, it makes life a lot easier. Ngeke uze uyithole to a position where awusakwazi ukuhamba or mhlawumbe usulokhu uhlala kuma-ayisi
Yeah.
for days or
Zama ukuzilapha.
ulokhu uyilapha mhlawumbe uminca manje kuze kubuyele esimeni. No, you don't need that because
Yeah.
you've made your journey of having sex a lot easier. So I always recommend that.
Now that you
Ukuthi
mentioned
iyabiza nje.
Iluphu. No, but didn't know the government has lubes now.
Awu manje kumele ngiye eklinikhi choma.
Let me tell you something. I just had.
Angeke.
Let me highlight something for you.
Never that.
You see the condoms. The reason why I'm asking you.
Uh-huh.
We had condoms abizwa nge-choice. Ayinuka kabi.
Ngiyawakhumbula lawo.
Purple, blue.
Ya ngawathola ekhaya Nkosi yami
Yeah.
ene-jardini
So
engithi
we had those condoms, and mina kusenza ama NGOs kufike aba researchers ngama condoms because we were complaining this condom inuka kabi ibanga umsindo iyaqhuma so siyasaba funa ama condom and ne rates ye HIV iyanyuka KZN kakhulu. So when they came NGO they wanted to have abantu who would participate with study sabo
Yes.
babanika ama condoms
Uh-huh.
to use. So you are given 10 condoms to use. Then after a week bayabuye bezo
kumele waqede wonke lawo
Cabanga,
makhondomu
shuthi kufuneka
futhi wena kumele nje
Lavi.
wento.
But nakhona babheka umuntu who's sexually active. So I was part of his dad.
Shuthi ubu-sexual active.
That phela mina. So I was part of his study. So we would take ama condom sami siwasebenzisa. Nakhona phela remember ku study you need to give back ekutheni
Yes.
mule nalona mhlawumbe isebenze kanjani
Kanjani.
noma nalo ilale kanjani. So we came back sahlangana sasho ukuthi okay le condom le it works.
Kanti kephi kwenziwa
But
leso
ngathi
study?
nganuka kamnandanyana. Then bathiwa okay kuba khona ama flavor ama condoms. So they flavored condoms. Saqala ke manje kwathiwa no shit negama to make it more sexy, more appealing.
Yes.
Kwathiwa it's Max condoms, but they are flavored condoms. You know, so azonwa kamnandi. That's why ufika uMax with different flavors.
And
I was part of the study.
I really like that because it made ukuthi ama-condom abantu bakwazi ukuthi bawasebenzise without going like, ooh, inuka kabi. So anyone can use a condom. So having flavored condoms was a great idea, and I'm glad that you were part of it.
And then mase kuba khona ama-loops. So how ama-loops were introduced? You've mentioned ukuthi kunoza kwethu washona ngoba waba ne problem lapha emuva.
Yes.
So in most cases uzothi omunye no thina amagesi manzi vele emuva. Ayikaze inoshe
Ayikaze leya nto yaba.
So it needs a lubricant. You need to apply a loop. So when you have low loop leyo uyayithatha leyo loop uyifake kuze kubushuzeleke kamnandi masenza kuwena lapha ya.
And ngiyayipika ke mina.
Love yonke. So leyo loop leyo it was a package with the government ekutheni let's have those that also accommodates the LGBTI community.
So that's how it came about.
Love you, I was there. You know, because manje siyabuka ukuthi sifika sizidabukile emuva.
Hayibo enzawo.
Uthi ngiqhumile emuva, yabani? Uyabuza uNelson ukuthi umfana oqhuma emuva uyacabanga indoda yakacela ithi ngiqhumile emuva.
Uqhunyiswe
Yini emuva? Bheka la. So sasifuna ukuthi let's have a package ezoba more sexy mangabe ulisebenzisa. Unwe kamnandi.
I love that.
Yeah. So nakhona it gives you, it's a tip. This condoms, it allows you even with oral sex. Yes, uyafaka ungene ngalo ngomlomo. It smells nice.
Oh, inga.
Even the sensation yalo, it's just so smooth. I was part of it. I wanted to make sure the LGBTI community ni happy.
And you did that.
Did it, no.
Clap. You did that.
And abaningi ama-condoms befika and we tried to want to know this works. So
You made our lives easier. Oh man, it's just because we see nakusasa
And
without
correct them, because we've buried so many lesbians, we've buried so many gays, bisexual, intersex, and so forth. We've buried because we've been your information.
Yes.
So now you know what, I'm going to use it. So I'm happy with in your relationship you manage ukuthi ufune ulwazi elizokwazi ukuthi likusize ukuze ungazithola to expose ezifoni eziningi.
I had a problem in my relationship when it started because nganazo lezo zinto lezo, like I wouldn't see the need or whatever. You understand?
Yeah.
So I was not using it a lot. Look, we need to talk about that as a country. There's no way it's so expensive.
Yeah, but the
And
nice
it's not
thing,
fair that it's
government has loops now.
Yeah, but not everybody's gonna go to a clinic and
Why because
there's nothing more a clinic. No,
Yeah.
you can get it from a clinic.
Yeah.
But it's like embarrassing first.
Well, the
I'll
condom.
speak for myself.
Speak.
No, for a condom I can go to a clinic and give that it's fine.
Yeah.
But going like uyofuna loop automatically abantu sebeyazi ukuthi allo uyodliwa lapha. You know, because that's where a lot of people consider.
You can even use a lubricant. We chat la usize ngayo until it's right.
Huh?
So
igcine singaka kodwa uthola ilegaka ishonephi loop.
liphele iphakethe.
But you know what you are doing.
Exactly.
So there's that.
Yeah.
So it's not easy to go to a clinic and, well, for me, let me speak for myself.
Yeah.
Going to a clinic and saying ngicela condom is not as saying ngicela loop, because automatically suyazi ukuthi well wanesi uzobona ukuthi shuthi mina ngisebenzisa phi loop noma mhlawumbe ngisebenzisa just to make myself happy. So there's that. But yeah, I'm glad ukuthi asinuka kamnandi is not as bad as how it used to be.
It's either a man or a female ozothiwa unomndeni wakhe.
Yes.
But nalo umndeni uthe mangabe uthola wawuthatha wenza umndeni babone ekhaya wabona umphakathi ukuthi hayi indoda yala phayana leyana umama wala phayana la phayana, but you don't understand ngomunye ozobe sethi I don't think sekuyisikhathi sami this so uthi ngiqhubeke nalempilo ebengiqhubekisa yona just because ekhaya befuna ukuthi ngibe nomfazi nengane. Angisafuni ukuyiphila impilo bede ningiphilisa yona, senganele sengicela ukuphila impilo yami. Uyambona faki weave, uyambona faki i-makeup
At a later stage.
at a later stage.
Manje usuvele wabhidliza
Yonke lento nezingane zabafana
even though siyasho ukuthi live your truth, but had you come, or not necessarily even come out, had you lived your truth ngaleso sikhathi for Anything happened.
Exactly.
Ngabe awuzange walimaza abantu abaningi.
Yeah.
So just live your truth.
Hey, ngoba siyababona abantu emaklabhini noma abantu emaklabhini. Hayi wena uhlangane naye. Ungcwele. Ya
Ungamkhumbuza omunye ubaba
cause belithi bisuka ngithi
upake izicathulo ezimhlophe ezicijile phambili nebhluke leLevi's elingakanani.
Yeah.
Ngiyayibona iringi la ukuthi hayi kunomuqa weringi la.
ohlalayo la.
Baba omdala. See, I don't want that to happen to me or to anyone that's closest.
I'm happy ukuthi ibambe manje faeli.
Can't have that.
Yeah.
Because I've seen it happening and I don't want that. So
usuke kuyena nje kalula kanje.
but I love you, my nigger.
Yeah, man.
But from a distance.
From a distance. So awuyibona ubuyelana naye.
No, I can't be in a relationship with someone.
Noma engathandeki noma umntana. Esengasekho noma umntana, uyayibona uthandana naye.
Ngibuyela khona.
Yes.
Uyo wena.
I want to know.
Inhliziyo
Ayiphakelo. But as long as bengathandani noma wengane, it's okay for you.
I'm glad you brought that up. How I've lived my life is, and I'm not going to sit here and lie, right? How I've lived my life is, mina anginankinga nokuthi umuntu engithandana nawe nengane.
Okay.
I have a problem if uzofika kumina, ufike kumina uthi or lie or don't tell me ukuthi noma wengane or ungasho ukuthi we closet or whatever the case may be.
Yeah.
I prefer honesty. At least angiye khona ngazi ukuthi oh lo kwi closet oh lo nengane no baby mama thizeni kuphi whatever. I'd rather I know ukuthi this is the setup and this is what I'm getting myself into. So I know ukuthi okay shuthi uma wengane mengekho semakhaya ngale weekend ithuba lami ukuthi nami ngiyofaka iloop yabo.
Yeah.
So I know that I'm planning that. But if you're going to come back when you realize ukuthi sengifuna into ethize, now how am I supposed to then live my life? Mishintshe the way I've pictured or viewed my life just to accommodate you. No, I can't. I can't. I'm sorry. We're not doing enough because akufani like ukuhambe like ama workshop like uhambe mhlawumbe workshop noma ama mall you don't find ama NGOs or noma ama organizations abeka itulo lapha ngaphandle teaching young people or teaching abantu nje in community how to respect one another and respect abantu who identify themselves as gay people or lesbians or transgender, right? So I don't think my NGOs are doing what they're supposed to be doing. I could be wrong, but I always feel like once the NGO yathola imali, ama-funds, athola ama-funds, bazokwenza i-workshop eyodwa and that's it. They're gone. They're gone. And I'm glad ukuthi sekhona indawo izinto njengo social media so we get to get information anyway. Please never limit yourself to NGOs or limit yourself to one particular media mainstream. Social media is so advanced. You can get information on social media. Awareness are there. Use social media wisely. Instead of sitting on social media and just laughing throughout on TikTok, just literally go to the search thing on top, type LGBT. You're going to see different views. You're going to see different information. Information is on your social media. So use that. And also, ngiyawacela ma NGO, please come back to communities. Come back to elokishini, hamba kwaMashu, hamba eNtuzuma, hamba eNanda. Get the information out there. Hamba eBridge City. Go to the malls. Speak to the parents. Because as much as singahlala thina as more advanced gay people with information, but into iqale ekhaya. So try and educate mama. Go back to emakhaya. Give out the information. Bakhona abantu they're willing to listen. So give people what they want, which is information. That's all I will say.
Yeah.
Thank you.
To as Barton Boyta.
Oh yes, your question. Yeah. We don't get ama platforms where people are ready to celebrate who we are. We don't as a gay person, as a queer man in this country, there's always hate everywhere. Or ungena with podcast zeni, you see so much of negative around who we are. Even our own gay people will go to a podcast and make fun of our experiences. So if you get an opportunity to come to a podcast that is queer friendly, a podcast that says, nah, platform, share your story, inspire where you can, please take that opportunity with both hands, because not everybody is willing to give Tina the opportunity to tell our own story, give out the information that we have acquired over the years. So please take the opportunity. Mobi Ziwe, please come through.
Fika.
Speaker, if they ask you to promote or to post a certain picture or a certain campaign, do it, because the social media is the only thing that we can use as an awareness, or only platform that we can use as an awareness, because we are literally the only people that we've got to each other. So please, if you get an opportunity to come and speak about your truth, take it with both hands. That's all.
Hayi ke indlebe izwile. Mina ke intombi yaselokishini ngawuthola 9 months. Hayi ke ayikhulelwa ke lefana nami. Ningixolele bandla. But thank you so much for sharing isithando sami. Usho lukhulu ngiyacabanga ukuthi nasemakhaya aba viewers ethu alalela fundile, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Guys, follow.